If you're thinking about buying BrainMary because it promises sharper memory, better focus, and improved mental clarity, you should know that not every brain supplement performs as advertised. And that's exactly why this review matters. BrainMary is marketed as a nootropic supplement designed to support cognitive performance, reduce brain fog, and help users stay mentally alert using a blend of vitamins, herbal extracts, and other brain support ingredients. While several of these ingredients have been studied individually, the biggest question is whether the complete BrainMary formula contains them in effective amounts. Because many supplements rely on impressive ingredient lists without clearly proving the final product delivers the same results seen in research. Looking at customer feedback, the experience appears to be mixed rather than one-sided. Some users report feeling more focused, experiencing better concentration, or noticing gradual improvements in mental clarity after consistent use, while others say they notice little to no difference even after finishing a bottle. That variation is not unusual since factors like age, sleep quality, stress levels, diet, and overall health can significantly influence how someone responds to a cognitive supplement. Another point to consider is that BrainMary should not be viewed as a replacement for healthy habits such as quality sleep, regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and proper hydration, which remain the strongest foundations for long-term brain health. On the downside, the company's marketing claims may sound more dramatic than the available evidence can fully support, and there is limited independent clinical research specifically on the finished BrainMary formula itself. As with any dietary supplement, some individuals may also experience mild side effects depending on their sensitivity to certain ingredients. Overall, BrainMary doesn't appear to be an obvious scam, but it also isn't a guaranteed solution for memory or focus. It may provide benefits for some users, while others may see minimal results. If you decide to try it, keep realistic expectations. Review the ingredient list carefully, and consult a healthcare professional if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. Ultimately, BrainMary seems like a supplement with potential, but not one backed by enough evidence to guarantee the impressive results its marketing often suggests.